Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a quick Allie Edwards subscription. These are two different subscription kits. One is for the monthly and one is for, I think it's storytelling. Anyways, they're great for when you're doing your scrapbooking and your journaling and all of that. So anyways, and because they're in a subscription form, they are very affordable. You know me, I only shop the sales, so yeah. So here are some darling hearts. They're little like blackboard hearts moving forward. Super cute. Lots of darling wooden veneer that are painted with silver and gold and teal and brown flowers. Absolutely charming. Some chipboard and their circles XO. Bring on the next phase. Right now in the middle of it all. Some transitions are easier than others. I love that. I've been watching somebody online who's been doing a journaling daily throughout all of the pandemic since, I guess February, March. And yeah, I love what they're doing, and I want to make sure that I kind of get some of that down myself for historical reasons. Darling little word, what do you call those, bubbles? You know, speech bubbles. So super, super cute, and definitely we can use those. This says transitions. I love that. That's a great word to put in this. I hope we're transitioning. It looks like who knows what's coming ahead for us. So also lots and lots of journaling cards. This story, there are tons of writing prompts in Allie Edwards. Her big thing is write it down, get it recorded. So she gives you the two smaller ones, and then you end up with some larger, like 4.5 by 4 by 6.5. I can't remember the exact number, measurement, but very, very useful. So, and even if it's something you don't like, you can flip it over and use a blank card. You know, there's always something out of this. Now, anybody who does wordfetti, I love wordfetti. So here is some darling wordfetti. I can't wait to play with it. And then she always sends one card about, it talks about story sparks. It gets you writing. It helps you understand. It always has a quote on it. There will come a time when you believe everything is finished. That will be the beginning. Ooh, I love that. That's really good. That's deep. It is. It is. I'm not trying to be facetious. I'm saying, ooh, that's making me think already. So anyways, so if you didn't know, when I get my Allie Edwards, I have I got a bag over there that I usually toss everything in. But it looks like I've had a little helper back there, so I'll have to go back there and get it myself. Now, this is the monthly that I love. This is the monthly subscription. I love both. And the thing with Allie Edwards, you got to want it because you sign up for a year subscription, or at least I did. Ooh, what is that? It's like something got on it. It may have been something from within the box. As I open things, yeah. That's probably something else got on it. So when we go down in there and find what else is down in that box, we're going to find out what was getting on everything. So anyway, so this is the monthly. I really do enjoy this one because I am a chronological scrapbooker. Probably not always, but you know, like I have done some scrapbooks of birthdays and things like that, which is an easy way to go back and catch up if you're behind. But I do love the monthly idea, and I love that these all come in these little bags, but this kit is always hard to get stuff out of. So here's some chipboard, absolutely charming. Find the ease in the mess. Oh, back to school, September stories, yes please. Lovely change, hello routine, this story, thankful, ready for some cozy. Let's begin all over again and give thanks for all that we are. Amen. Okay. So it is September. You are the doorway to the season that awakens my soul. Peggy Tony Horton wrote that. So you get that as a journaling card. You get some heart stickers, which are gorgeous. I love those. They really are pretty. Different sizes, and I love the shape. I am a heart-shaped person. Are you a heart-shaped person? I like certain shapes in hearts. I don't know why. I do enjoy the wonky hearts, but there's certain, I just love how, I love that shape. Anyway, sorry. So more journaling cards. She gives you the smaller and the larger again. They're always fantastic. Hold on one sec. Honey, can you take that box out for me? Take what? That box out for me, sweetie? Sure. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, so also she gave us, heart veneers. I love that. Super. Oh, look how tiny they are. Super cute. Looks like 3 different sizes. absolutely, I'm trying to get that third size out for y'all. You can kind of see it. There's the third one. Absolutely charming. Love that. And then, of course, we get the September stickers. This season, hello, routine. Lovely change. Embracing this season. September memories. Let's see. Thankful. Hashtag thankful. And it's hard because it's hard. I love that. So, one of the things I enjoy about Ellie Edwards, she is a mom who's raising 2 kiddos, and I believe that her son is on the autism spectrum or something there like that. And having been a mom who raised kiddos on the autism spectrum, they are off the chart brilliant, and then they're off the chart, they have special needs, and you know, it's always amazing to me. So, and I absolutely, they're my favorite students to work with. And it's funny, I taught special ed before we ever had children. And of course I worked in special ed, you know, severe and profoundly handicapped when I was a young girl. And it's interesting, the children that God gave us. And so it's amazing, you know, how God brings that full circle in your life. But I really appreciate her. I think at one time she was a single mom with these 2 kiddos, and you know, it's tough, and she's built a business, and you know, my hat's off to her. So, okay, friends, I hope you guys have enjoyed this haul. It's quick and it's easy, but if you are interested in anything to help you basically get started on your memory keeping, these are great tools. I mean, they really, really are. So I highly, highly, highly recommend, and especially I recommend the monthly, but these are the story starters. So, I mean, they really work hand in hand in my opinion. And literally, you could take these 2 kits and you'd be done for the month. And I think it's a good tool. So, okay, friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, we'd love to have you. Also, hit that notification bell down below, and it'll tell you every time a new video comes up. And, you know, we do a lot of different kinds of videos here, so, you know, you don't have to watch them all. Just pick the ones you like and, you know, and enjoy. And I hope that they encourage you, because that's what this channel is all about. It was built on that premise. So, okay, friends, and most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Go out and make it a great day. Be safe, but make it a great day. Okay, friends, love y'all. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.